Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi and Papa's Kitchen. This evening we're going to have us something very simple.
Been a simple kind of day.
Been a simple kind of day, something easy to make. We're going to have us some tomato bisque soup. Gigi put in some half and half.
And some milk.
And we're going to have us some
Grilled cheese
sandwiches and tomato soup.
Yep.
It's tomato bisque.
Tomato bisque.
Yep. We hope everyone's having a wonderful day. They're healthy, they're blessed, they're warm. We want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our videos.
Yes, thank you.
So she just buttered the bottom of the bread.
Just everyday good old fashioned. I even like using the peel and stick. I call it peel and stick cheese, but the Kraft singles. A little bit of OCD when I put my sandwiches together.
We basically use 2 pieces of cheese per sandwich.
Yep.
It's very simple, easy to make, and
It's filling, it's comforting.
filling, comforting, just
It's like a warm hug.
yeah, it's like a warm hug. It's easy to make, and everyone loves it.
We were going to run out to the local Chinese takeout place, and
We said, why do that when we can just eat us some soup and grilled cheese?
we've got food here at the house, and
Absolutely. We're blessed to be able to eat.
that's right.
Never take your days for granted. Enjoy every day, because your life can change in a minute.
Yeah.
We've actually got a story of our life changing, the reason we're even doing this, but we'll share that later on in life. Later on. As
Later on in the year.
As the channel grows, we definitely have
We've
our
gone
life
through
changed.
some-
Our
yeah.
life changed from we thought we was on top, on the big farm, and on the trucking company.
Everything was going great.
Everything was going great, and then all of a sudden we was hit by a hit and run driver, and I had 7 major surgeries. Gigi had 2 major surgeries. I was in intensive care for 2 months, and with just a story like that, our hospital bills was $2 million between us or better, and life changes in an instant, and not be any of your fault. So hug your loved ones, kiss
Why we
your loved
say that
ones,
all the time.
and be thankful for each and every day and each and every minute. And
When you get to see your grandkids and your kids, and
yeah,
because all that people just don't understand.
you never know. You take everything for granted until you don't have it.
That's right.
So, we're very thankful to have this sandwich, to have this tomato soup, to have this life,
To be able to have it together, and
to show this channel. We're very thankful for each and every one of you
absolutely.
to take your time to watch our channel, and we're very, very thankful.
Hoping to get
But,
to see our
we'll-
grandkids this weekend.
Yeah, we'll share the rest of the story and later on in the videos. We're not going to make this a drama channel, but I just want to show you a little bit. So if you don't mind, please leave us a like or share. Please subscribe. It's very appreciated.
And I do make my tomato soup a little different. A lot of people, they add water because that's what it says is water. This is something that I learned from my mom. And I always do I like to do the milk, or half and half if I have it. And then I add, at the end, I put about a half of a tablespoon to a tablespoon of butter into each cup. And it makes it very, very luxurious.
It makes
be
it
a very
delicious.
humble dinner.
It's very good, I promise you.
And I've known people that have said, "Oh, I don't like tomato soup. I hate tomato soup." Like, okay, let me change your mind.
Yeah, just try it.
And I've changed a lot of minds when it comes to the tomato soup.
This is just a good comforting food, just something easy.
See how thick this is?
Something easy.
Look at that. Now this also says tomato bisque,
Absolutely.
which has, I'm guessing, like some chunky pieces of tomato in there, which is
It
fine.
does. It does.
Pepper.
She's adding some pepper.
pinch of salt, not a lot. Then I get down our cups that we're gonna have the soup in. Whoa, it's about too ready. See?
Oh, that's perfect.
I wasn't paying attention though.
Oh, yes, I like it.
There we go.
Yep.
I was not paying attention.
That's all right. That's exactly how I love it.
Cooking on a different pan than I'm used to cooking in as well. So I'm gonna put it down just a little bit. We have our
Well,
Papa Bear
Papa Bear and our Gigi.
and our
cup.
Gigi cups.
We'll put our soup in.
There's our butter out.
So basically, she just buttered both sides of the toast, and then 2 pieces of
bread,
cheese.
yep.
Yeah, of the bread. Then 2 pieces of cheese per sandwich, and our tomato soup, and we're gonna call it dinner. We hope everyone has a blessed evening. Thank you again for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe again, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, kids.
Thank you.
Thank you.